Well, so in the standard model, right, there's a definite objective, right? So standard model of AI is we make optimizing machinery and we just put in a definite objective. So it's a special case of the approach that I'm proposing, right? Where it's a special case where all the uncertainty in the second principle has been squeezed out and disappears. So now we have a point objective where the machine believes it knows for sure that this is the thing to pursue. And that can be okay in limited contexts with machines of limited capacity. So you might think, fine, if we're just writing a Go program, then the goal of Go program should be to win the game. Okay, what could possibly go wrong, right? It's just it's just making moves on a simulated Go board, and that's it. But it's not quite it, right? AlphaGo is not that intelligent, right? Although it does a good job of learning to play Go moves, it's not doing what we do, right? We're intelligent beings. We want food and reproduction and various other things. But through a very kind of indirect derivative of those goals, we also want to understand the universe. We want to, in fact, understand how our own brains are producing this behavior. And a sufficiently intelligent AlphaGo would also want to do that in the hope that it might be able to gain a better understanding of what is the source of these other Go moves that keep appearing on the board. Why do they appear? How are they generated? How are my own moves generated, right? Just as how are my own thoughts generated by my brain? All those questions have utility for winning, which is AlphaGo's objective. Eventually, it will figure out that there is an outside world, larger than the Go board. It'll figure out that it's operating on some kind of device that generates all of these computations, and that there's some other entities out there, and then it can start messing with things, right? It can start communicating by forming patterns on the Go board, and maybe the other entity will see these, and then you can start a conversation. It's actually very hard with a machine of unlimited intelligence. It's very hard to imagine, a narrow scope problem with a very simple goal like winning the game of Go that is still guaranteed to be safe.